In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Hostinger invoice. Managing your invoices is not only essential for keeping track of your expenses but also crucial for financial planning and tax purposes. So, let's jump right into it and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Visit the Hostinger website and use your credentials to access your account dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a forgot password option right there to help you reset it and get back on track. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is the central hub from where you can handle all of your Hostinger activities. From here, look towards the top of your screen where you'll spot the Billing section. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This section is crucial, as it is the gateway to all of your financial transactions with Hostinger. Here, you'll find an organized history of your purchases, which will be immensely useful for retrieving your invoices. Next, in the Billing section, take a look at the menu options available to you. You want to click on Payment History. This is where Hostinger has methodically stored every transaction you've made. It's designed to be clear and easy to navigate, ensuring you can quickly find any specific invoice you might be searching for. Once you're in your payment history, you'll see a list of all your past payments. Now, to access a particular invoice, simply find the transaction you are interested in. It's sorted chronologically, so you'll be able to see the most recent ones at the top. When you find the transaction for which you need the invoice, look to the right of the transaction details. You'll notice an option labeled Invoice. Click on it, and voila, your invoice is at your fingertips. Downloading is straightforward, just click that option. It's always a good idea to save a copy of your invoices locally on your computer or a cloud service. This way, they're easily accessible when tax season rolls around or if you need them for accounting purposes. And that's it. You now know how to retrieve your Hostinger invoice quickly and efficiently. By following these simple steps, you ensure that all your important financial documents are well organized and readily available whenever you need them. Remember, keeping track of your expenses is an important aspect of managing your account effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Happy hosting!